A businessman sells 60% English books and still has 28 English books. Originally, he had. Okay, so ang nabenta daw ng businessman ay 60%. So 60%, ito yung sold. Siyempre, yung natira, ang remaining natin ay 40% because the total should be 100%. And then the remaining is 28 English books. So what is the original number of books? So gawa natin ang equation. So we have 40% of, let's say, n, ito yung total, equals 28 solved for n. Okay, so 40% convert in decimal, that is equal to 0.40 or simply 0.4. Then of means multiplication, so times n equals 28. Solve for n, so divide both sides by 0.4. Divide both sides by 0.4, so therefore n equals, so move the decimal point sa denominator, syempre ganun din sa numerator, so we have 280 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4, that is 7, so kopyahin lang yung 0, so therefore the correct answer is letter D, 70 books. Follow for more.